Hi friends! Today we are drawing a penguin, and this is one of the cutest and the easiest things to draw. Let's get started! The body shape is very simple. We are just going to draw one big arc or upside down U. Like so. And we will finish the shape with the slightly curved line on the bottom. For the feet we will draw two ovals with the flatter bottom. Something like this. And let's add two wings. These are just two very simple curves. Alright, next we are drawing white part of the penguin's body, and we will start with a shape that looks like a top part of the heart. And the rest of the shape is going to be an oval. Okay, the only thing left is his face. Two ovals for the eyes. 4 circles for highlights. And we will fill the space in. I will add 2 eyebrows. And to draw a beak, I will start with the tiny smile. Then I add one angled line on the top of that smile and one curved line on the bottom. And this is how easy it is to draw a penguin. So now we are going to color it, and when we are done, we are going to have more fun with this cute little body. Let's get to the coloring. Alright, now when you know how to draw a penguin, you can add different details depending on the theme that you choose for your drawing. For example, you can go full Christmas mode with this guy, or give him some elegant gentleman outfit. I hope you had fun drawing this penguin today, and I see you in my next videos. Bye bye!